Did you ever want to pin items to your dashboard on Fusion? Items that you use all the time, ones that you go back to again and again. There's a dashboard panel that allows you to do that. If you go here and add panel, click on the Pinboard and move it to where you want it to be and save changes. So how do I add items to my Pinboard? I'm just going to go to a class and I'm going to add a range of items into my Pinboard. Adding items is simple, you just add them to your clipboard. So I'm going to go to each item and add them to my clipboard. These items are now all sitting in my clipboard. If I go back to my dashboard and click on the Clipboard tab of my Pinboard, they're all in here. To add them to my Pinboard, I just click this green plus. And now if I go to the Pins tab, they're all there. So these three are links to individual files, and this one is a link to a folder of files. So if I click on here, it takes me into that folder inside my history class. So how do I pin a class or a learning space? Let's go to classes. I'm going to pin these two different types of classes, a file area and a website. Just go to the group menu and there's an option here to add to your Pinboard. I'll do it with this one as well. Add to the Pinboard. I now go back to my dashboard panel and they're already there. To remove items from your Pinboard, go to the Manage tab and simply click here. So that's how to use your Pinboard dashboard panel on Fusion.